Welcome again on Igbo History TV. This is Chiso Natugo. In this video, we are going to talk about Igbo people that are indigenous in other parts of Nigeria, apart from southeastern Nigeria. Because many people, if you ask them, they will tell you that Igbo people are only found in southeastern Nigeria. Though actually, Igbo people are predominantly found in southeastern Nigeria. But that's not the case. They are also indigenous to other parts of Nigeria, in other zones in Nigeria. These are lists of Igbo communities found outside southeastern Nigeria. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Try and drop your comments and tell us your mind about this video. In Rivers State, these are a list of Igbo people that are indigenous to Rivers State. Eboma people are Igbo people. Eche in Rivers State, Omuma in Rivers State, Ndoni in Rivers State, Ikwere in Rivers State, Ekpeye, Obi-Igbo, Opobo, Ogba, and Bone. All these are Igbo clans in Rivers State. Then let's go to Edo State. Igbanke community, formerly or originally known as Igbakere. In fact, most people do not even know that Archbishop Benson Idahosa and his wife are Igbo from Igbanke in Uhon, the local government area of Edo State, that was formerly in Oriowon Ejie. The mother of the late Samuel Odibovo Ogbemudia is Igbanke. Most indigenes of this town, just like Eka people, bear hybrid names that most often could just jolly well pass as Edo because of their names like Ndoki Irabo, Jimovia, Omorogie Nwawanne, Collins Edumarise, etc. Apart from this place, Igbo people can also be found in Ekpon and Inyelen, in Igweben and Uhonde, Eji of Edo State. Then, after Edo State, Igbo people can also be found in Delta State. In fact, the majority of the people in Delta State are Igbos. Igbo are the major people in Delta State. These are Igbo people in Delta State. Igbo clans. I'm not talking about, these are Igbo clans in Delta State. Number 1, Eka, Ndokwa, Ukwane, Aniocha, Oshimili. In Bayelsa State, we have Igbo people in Osekwenike, Abueto, and the Kampokere villages, all in Sabama area of Bayelsa State. We also have them in the Osifo community in Bayelsa State. There are Igbo of Okwa and the Stock, and such are of Anioma Igbo clan of Igbo ethnic group in Bayelsa State. In Cross River State, we have Igbo people in the Isobo, in Obubura, and Abe LGA of Cross River State. These are where Igbo people, even Lee Moke, former Cross River State governor wife, are from Abe LGA of Cross River State. These are places you will see Igbo clans in Cross River State. In Benue State, the Igbos in Benue State, particularly those in Ado, Oju, Obi, and Okpoko LGA in northern Nigeria. This Benue State is located in northern Nigeria. So, Igbo people can also be found in northern Nigeria. These are Igbo clans in Benue State. Those in Ado, Oju, Obi, and Okpoko local governments of the state were in existence before the advent of Christian religion in Nigeria. The Igbo found in Benue are Umuezokonha, Umuezoka, Oriozo, Umuogara, Amueka, and Amuezekwe, all in Eza communities, Izi, Ezambu, and Effium. These are the people who would have been in present-day Benue State, but due to the fact that the Nigerian government then carved them into Benue in order to suppress the population of the east. Apart from the Eza-speaking clan, particularly the people of Umuezokonha that has over 300 villages, if you are to calculate the number of Igbo-speaking villages in Benue State outside Umuezokonha, we would be talking altogether about over 600 villages. 3 of the biggest markets in Benue are all in Igbo-speaking part. The markets are Inikiri-Echari, Eda, Ido-Okpe. There are also some Igbo-speaking Idoma towns in Benue State. Let's go to Kogi State. The indigenous Igbo-speaking communities in Kogi State, especially in Ebaji and the Igalamela Odolu LGA, are Ekavurugo communities such as Nwajala, Umuoye, Ubulie, Umueze, Ozara, and Umuoye, and many more. In Akwa Ibom State, there are Igbo people in Akwa Ibom State. If you go to Ekotudo, in Eka LGA, you will see Igbo community, Igbo clans there. We also have Igbo people in Ekpanya, in Oboni Ibom LGA, Itumbanozo, Ndoke, and Ohobu communities of Okana from LGA of Akwa Ibom State. Ekoti Igwe in Eshen Udim LGA of Akwa Ibom State. Ikwe Ibekwe in Ekota Abas LGA of Akwa Ibom State. All these people are Igbo people. All these are Igbo people, Igbo clan found outside southeastern Nigeria. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, drop your comments and tell us your mind about this video. Thank you.